If you're trying to upload and install Breakdance as a plugin, you might be getting an error where it tells you that the link you followed has expired, or you might just be seeing a blank page, and if you hover over the tab, it might just say page not found. So in this video, I'm going to give you the fix for that, or at least a fix for it, something more for you to try. So just to demonstrate it, if we're at a clean install of WordPress here, I'm just going to pop along to plugins and add new plugin. So this is the standard way to install Breakdance or other plugins, and I'm just going to drag in the latest Breakdance version and install now. And this is where you'll probably see the issue. It might take a while to do anything of good, but yeah, there we go. The link you followed has expired. The other thing you might see is just that it'll be a blank page, and you'll hover over the tab up at the top, and it might just sort of say page not found. So obviously this isn't good. The truth is, it's nothing to do with the link you followed has expired. It's having a bit of trouble, in this case, in the server settings. So this is one server that I work on every day. On two others that I was working on today, Breakdance installed fine and no other plugins had an issue. But it's just the configuration of this server, or specifically this account. So I'll show you where to fix that. If you go into your PHP ini file, I call it an ini file. Other people say ini, but I go with ini. And so you might have to change that manually in your file manager. In this instance, in cPanel, I can just pop along to, where is it? Find it here, and we click on this one. Make sure you've selected the correct account. And then once you've done that, scroll down, and what we're needing to do is alter some of these. So the max execution time, we're going to put that to 60. And you may already have tried to upload, increase your upload max file size. I'm going to put that to 128. And also the post max size, I'm going to put to 128. Sometimes you'll see that memory limit is a lot lower. I tend to make sure that it's at least at 512. And then we go and click apply. So that's going to give us the green light, which always feels nice, doesn't it? Go back to the site, and then we're going to upload plugin and just go through the same process. So I'm just going to drag it on in and install. And there we go, happy days, it's working perfectly. So then just move forwards in the process, it's all going to work fine. It's worth noting that this might be the fix sometimes, not even just for Breakdance, but if you're seeing that issue, you might just need to play with some of your settings in the ini file. And you might need to do that in the file manager, or you can do it in the actual interface that I showed you in this instance. Not all hosts have this set up though, so yeah, just check with your host if you'd like to use this interface. Make sure that it's available for you. Okay, I hope that was useful. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any other issues, please let me know. It will guide the content of this channel. All right, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.